Hello friends, welcome to Explore YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial video, we will be going to learn about one of the advanced Excel trick to compute values of large or small data in one go. Because sometimes we have to calculate huge number of information in very less time. So here you will be able to learn about this advanced trick. So let's start our video from here. We'll be going to Excel spreadsheet. So here friends you can see in some sheet that we have got sales to be made on 6 occasions, and these are the product number which are being sold on separate sales occasions. So we have to compute the sum of all the sales, and we'll be using this advanced trick. So what we have to do is we have to select all the cells here, and then we have to go to formula bar. Over there we'll be start using sum formula, and you can see here I am selecting the sales of C column only, and then we have to close the bracket and press Ctrl and hit enter simultaneously. Means you have to press Ctrl and enter and hit it at the same time, and you get all the column sum total over here at same time in one go. And similarly what we will do here is in I column we will select all the cells, then we go to formula bar, and here we're using some formula, and this time we are not taking the column, we are taking the row data of first row. Close the bracket, click on control and hit enter, and you get sum of all the rows here instantly. So friend, this is very handy information for you when you have to get sum of all different values, different rows, different columns at very less time. Now we have moved to next sheet, which is subtraction, and here you can see a purchase data is being provided where purchase is being made on 3 occasions and sale is done on 3 occasions. So we need to find out closing stock over here, but it takes a lot of time when we have to compute these values step by step. So here we get all the data instantly in subtraction. And how we do this, we select all the cells, then we go to formula bar. Over there we do sum of purchase, so we hit on the first row, that is from B5 to D5, and we close the bracket, then we put minus sign over here, and then we use again the sum formula, and this time we'll be taking the range from I to H, sorry, F to H. So this time we have taken the range from F to H. Here we have to close the bracket, press Ctrl and hit enter, and you find your closing stock which was deducted from purchase minus sale, and you get the total closing stock here. We use sum formula here, which is very simple. If I click over here, you can see the formula is being used over here. Now we have moved to multiplication, and you can see here friends, in horizontal form the product quantity is being provided, and in vertical form the price is being provided. And here we have to compute the values of each product to be times by price. So what we have to do is we have to select the range, all the empty cells where we would like to get the results, and then we go to formula bar, and over there we click on B15. Now we have to click on F4. If F4 is not working, then you have to press Fn F4 and press it again to lock the row. Means 200 B15 cell is being locked for the row where we have to times 200 with 100, 200 with 110, 120, 130, and so on. Similarly, we have to time it with the cell of C14, where we have to lock this column, and we have to lock it with by pressing Fn for F4 or directly F4. So this time the column is being locked where 100 times with 200, 210, 220, 230, and so on. Now we have to press Ctrl and hit enter. As you can see friends, instantly you get all the empty cells being filled by this advanced skill in one go. And you can see above that our answer is being right calculated depending on the information being provided or the same information on top here. Now we have come on division, and you can see here we have to find out that division, that is the sale is being presented over here and the limit of all the sale is over here. So we have to find out how much sale is being made out of the limit. So how we can get it? By dividing sale with limit. Ways we have to select all the cells at once, then we have to go formula bar over here. We'll be using equal to sign and then click on B5 and divide it with C5, and then we press Control and hit enter, and you can see here instantly I got all the values in one go. Now friends, I have come on the percentage sheet, and here you can see subject by marks of students are being provided over here in these cells, and here the obtained marks are being provided out of the total marks over here in I column. Now we have to compute the percentage of each student over here in J column. So what we have to do is we will select all the cells at once, then we go to formula bar. Over there we put equal to sign, and then we hit on the first column, which is H4, and divide it with the total marks, which is I4, and we have to times it with 100 to calculate the percentage. Now friends, we have to divide it with 100 again to get the percentage sign. This 100 is being provided only to get the percentage sign. So we press on control and hit enter, and you can see here instantly in one go I got all the percentages of all the students over here in J column. Now friends, here is a bonus tip for you, because sometimes you do work on Excel and you have to change the address of email IDs. So here in C column you can see I have extracted the first address up to @, and here we wanted to add Yahoo instead of Gmail in D column. So how we can do this in one go? Let's see it over here. What we have to do is we have to select the range over here in F column from F4 to F7. Then we have to go to formula bar over there, and here I'm going to just paste the formula. So you can see here, let me make you understand about the formula, how it works. So in the B4 cell you can see here XYZ at, and this means left we need information up to at only, we do not need at. So we click on the B4 cell, then we put comma, and we do not need at, but we need to find out at. So we put find formula over here, open bracket, then double quotes. In the double quotes we put @ means calculate my words from first word until the @, and then we put comma over here, and we click on B4 cell again, and we put comma, and then we put 1, means the number should be 1 from where the counting should be start, and then we close the bracket and use the and symbol, and we put double quotes, and instead of Gmail we would be using @yahoo.com, and we close the double quotes, and you can see here if I press Control and hit enter, I get all the values being changed instantly here in F column from F4 to F7. So friends, that's the easiest way you can use this trick and apply in your working in Excel spreadsheet to sort the information effectively and efficiently and get yourself promoted or appreciated. I thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Explore YouTube channel so I can bring up more videos for you. Thank you for watching this video.